So students, let's start your lesson 3, that is editing in MS Word 2010. It is a word processor software. You have already learned in your before class like MS Word 2007, and here you will get some new facility and feature in MS Word 2010. So before starting this lesson, let us know some key points and some inside question from your book. So the key points are: a word processor is a program you can use to create a text document on the computer. You can use MS Word 2010 to create documents such as letters and projects. Making changes to the text in a document is called editing. So come to the inside question. It is in front page of your book, that is match the columns. Title bar will be at the top of the window. Ribbon will be, as you know, ribbon contains tabs and groups, so it will match to this one. Then file tab, it is the first tab on the ribbon. Document area, blank white space. Status bar at the bottom of the Word window. In MS Word, you can write paragraphs of text. If you are writing paragraph of text, you need to edit. How can you select the text with a mouse? There are some keys point you need to know. So for select a word, double click anywhere on the word through your mouse. Then a line of text, click on selection bar to the left of the line. For a paragraph, for a selecting of paragraph, triple click anywhere on the paragraph or double click on the selection bar to the left of the paragraph. The entire document, if you want to select the entire or whole document, triple click anywhere on the selection bar. So these are some key points you need to learn. It will fall as inside question. Now you will know for selecting text with a keyboard. Here you will not take the help of the mouse, only you will use the keyboard. So one character to the right of the cursor, shift plus right arrow key. One character to the left of the cursor, shift plus left arrow key. Till one line up, shift plus up arrow key. Till one line down, shift plus down arrow key. Text till the beginning of the line, shift plus home key. Text till the end of the line, shift plus end key. Text till the beginning of the document, shift plus control plus home key. Text till the end of the document, shift plus control plus end key. Control means CTRL, don't be confused. To select the entire document, CTRL or control plus A. Next, making changes to the text in a document called editing. The default mode in Word for making with text, insert mode. The command to cancel the last action done in the document, undo. The tab with the copy and paste command, home tab. So these are the common shortcut keys you need to learn. For copy, CTRL plus C. For cut, CTRL plus X. For paste, CTRL plus V. For undo, CTRL plus Z. For redo, CTRL plus Y. So students, these are your tasks to write in your copy. These will be considered as inside question. In next video, I will discuss more about MS Word 2010. Thank you.